traders, it's 22 minutes past 8 a.m. here in Brisbane on Wednesday, the 12th of June, and I am in the ring with France 40, so the PXI index. And I want to take a look here on what happened and how this fight progressed. So when I've done the fight card video, it was just the opening of the trading week, and I mentioned that what I'm looking for is a break of this range level, so in and around the 7900. And I also mentioned that I'm looking for compressions of price, so I'm looking for price to press above this level, so it wouldn't be such a move from a high up. Now if we'll take a look here on the lower time frame, so if we move into the 4 hours as an example, then what we can see is that price from here, from the time that I've done the video, basically crashed through that level, so I never got that compressions of price. Let's take a quick look here on the 1 hour. So this is around the time that I've done the video. We just went sideways. This is just the beginning of Asia session. So once Europe woke up, we saw this big sell-off passing my points win area as well. But I didn't get my compressions of price, so I didn't get a proper setup. But then what happened? We pulled back to test that level from below, and I was keeping a close eye on price action around this area. So let's have a look on the 15 minutes and see what got me excited about price action around this level. So as we can see, once again, this is Asia session, so not a lot of activity. Europe wake up and we've managed to push a little bit higher and then pull back. Then from this area, same area, we pushed higher, but not as high as that previous high. I like that scenario. We came back into that area, and for me, a break of this spike would signal that the sellers are back in control. So I've started my offense as price broke through this spike with my defense line nice and tight above this recent price action. And as we can see with this candle, price broke through my striking area, pulled back slightly inside, and then continued very nicely into my points win area. So within this candle over here, I got my points win. From here on, the market is going pretty much sideways over here. Now I'm still holding on for my knockout area, which sits just around that 77 round number. So if we'll have a look here on the 4 hours and zoom out a bit, it's this green area over here. So far we're looking quite nice, but we could see a bit more of a pullback here before we come down to that knockout area. So as for the defense line, I could be a bit more aggressive and push my defense line to protect the ground that I've already covered in the ring, so somewhere around here, or I can choose to leave it at this area. It still means an open risk, but it could give the market a little bit more of a breather area. So it all depends on how the market is pulling back. Again, currently it's Asia session, so not a lot of price activity with this opponent. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.